Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one we need to find about complementary solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Now if we do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s, because if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, you got lambda, and now we go to third derivative of yc. Fourth derivative. And fifth derivative of yc. Now we put this one gone here, and we have like this. Now we need to do factorization by e to the power of lambda s. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. Now we have lambda. We need to do about factorization by lambda to the power of 3. So because we have lambda to the power of 3, that means we have 3 solutions, lambda equal to number 0. For this one, if we look carefully, that is about lambda minus number 2, everything to the power of 2. That means we have 2 solutions, lambda equal to number 2. And now we have the final answer. We have C number 1, e to the power of lambda s. We put number 0 gone here, and we have e to the power of number 0. So we simplify, and that is about number 1. Because we have another solution, lambda equal to number 0. So we have C number 2s and C number 3s square. For this one, we have like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.